How are you?
Yeah, ma'am. I am fine. Thank you for asking me. What about you?
Yes, I'm also good. And today we are meeting for the second time,
Yeah.
right? Yeah. Tell me something more about you because it's been a little, I think 15 or 20 days back we had connected, but I've forgotten. So give me once more your introduction.
Yeah, why not? So my name is Kusum Gupta. I am from UP, district Siddharth Nagar, and I am mother of one kid. I am a homemaker. I am graduate of outside, and it was my childhood dream to speaking English. But study time, I couldn't able to speak English and study about English. So nowadays, I am improving my English day by day. Yeah, this is all about my introduction.
Very nice. That was your childhood dream, okay? And so you were in English medium or Hindi medium school?
No, I am a student of Hindi medium.
Okay. So in your school, English was as a subject. Only as a subject you learn.
Yeah, only English as a subject and all book in Hindi medium.
Okay. So nowadays, how are you practicing with your spoken English?
Yeah, I am doing practice daily, missing in a day in this application.
Yeah, that only I'm asking. But how you practice? What do you do? What every day when you get up? No, so what you do to practice?
Okay. Yeah, sometime I watch conversational video and watching uh, English movie like that cartoon movie, and sometime do practice in front of mirror and sometime reading book and writing.
Okay. So you write daily. You write something like you write daily.
Yeah, I read book daily.
Oh,
Don't so much, only one two page I read.
very nice. So you read and you write. And you listen also to conversational videos. Do you listen?
Sometime my time according because I am a homemaker, so I don't get so much time, and I have 1 year old kid.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's why you don't have time. Because your child is young. And now what is he doing, your child? Where is he?
My child is has slept.
Oh, so that's why you are here. Okay.
Just
So,
he has just slept. So I thought I I should practice. So
yeah,
ma'am,
very
please,
good.
if you don't mind, so could you introduce yourself because
Yes.
you
Yeah, yeah,
uh,
yeah.
there.
Why not? So, Kusum, as you know, my name is Anka and I'm a senior citizen. Also, I'm a postgraduate in English and I'm living in Lucknow. Lucknow is the capital of UP.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes. And I have two grown up sons. They are married. And if you talk about my hobbies, then I love reading and listening to music. Yeah, that's about me.
Okay, so you are a student of English medium.
Yes, throughout, yes.
So I think you don't need like that more than reading is learning speaking writing because you are
No,
a
yeah.
student of this medium.
So the thing is that even I need practice. Even I need practice. So to practice what we do, I also read daily. I read, and I don't write. I write only that much. Like when I find some new word, for the vocabulary. Then only that time I write a word and frame some one or two sentences from that word. Only that much I write. I don't write like pages and all that. But I read and I listen to conversational videos. And the
Yeah.
first thing I do is that I go on speaking every day because speaking is the first foremost part. If you want to have a good fluency, then we have to like speak every day.
Yeah,
So as yeah, yeah,
because without practice we can't do anything. If
yeah.
you do any work, so without practice don't do any work.
Yes, we can't do. Like practicing is very necessary and like speaking. And the better speaking comes from speaking. Like if you speak daily, and you will be better day by day. You will grow much better in speaking. So this is the first part of what we have to do in English conversation. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So you can ask me anything you want to talk on, some topic or anything, whatever, any incident, whatever you want to, or you want to have a simple normal conversation today.
Yeah, now I don't have any topic in my mind
It's okay.
because yeah, just I saw your message and I joined you. So
Yeah.
yeah, I am not thinking about any topic.
So when did
So
you start? When did you start? Like when did you start speaking? When did you join this Skype? Tell me something about you.
yeah, I think it 3 months going on. Join this application.
Okay, 3 months back. So that time you could speak that time when you joined Skype.
Yeah, first time when I joined this group, so that time I